Alright, well hopefully you got the hang of being able to complete the square and solve for x, finding the solution set. We're going to work one more and see what we come up with here. We have 16 x squared plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 0. So what I want to do here is I'm going to want to factor out this 16, okay? So we need to do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and simplify this down. So this becomes a half x plus, and then this piece right here is going to, what's that going to become? Let's see, 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 16 8 times. Alright, so we take a half, we multiply it by this number here, which is a half, and then of course we square it. So this is 1/4, and then squared becomes 1/16. Right. So we're going to have x squared plus a half, x plus, we've got a blank here, and then plus our 5/8. So what we put in the blank is this 1/16. But we must put a minus 1/16 outside. Alright, and we close our parentheses up. Alright, so I'm going to write x. We take a half of this guy now. So that makes that a 1/4. Square that. Then we have 5/8 minus 16. I'm going to do a little side work over here, just in case you might have forgotten how to add fractions. Put a 2/2. So now we have a common denominator, 10/16 minus 1/16, and that gives us 9/16. And of course, can we break 9/16 down any? And the answer to that is no. So we're going to have plus 9/16. And of course, we'll set that equal to 0. Now we multiply both sides by 1/16. That gets rid of this 1/16 right here. So we have x plus a 1/4 squared plus 9/16 is equal to 0. Now we take this 9/16 and move it to the other side. You get negative 9/16. And we have x plus a 1/4 squared. Now we square root both sides. So we square root. And of course this square here goes away. X plus a 1/4. And we got something fishy going on over here. Now there was a section on complex numbers, I believe I had, that you might want to look at, okay? If you don't know what's going on here, how to handle this negative. Well, I'm going to break this up actually and write negative 9 in the top, so maybe this could be better seen. Okay, well we can't take square roots of negative numbers and get a real number out, alright? So there's been an extension to the real number system. It's known as the complex numbers, and that's what we're going to be using here, is the complex numbers as a solution. Alright, so the square root, this can be broken up as the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 9 over the square root of 16. And of course, we've still got this over on this side. The square root of negative 1 is I times 3. That's